Hi everyone, Raja this side. Thanks a lot for your encouraging views and subscription. On the second video, we have crossed more than 50 views and close to some less than 10 subscribers. Never minded. Yes, this is only the second video. This is the third video in fact. So in this video today we are going to see what was the Nifty overall compared to the yesterday analysis. So yesterday I told the Nifty will be in a volatility and which will be 500 points ups and down by end of this week. And as I said, Nifty was in a high volatile today and more than 80 points were down and then again gained back and closed with close to minus 12 points and ended with 9,239 points as a Nifty. So in this, some of the stocks which has been really performed well is auto stocks, which has given the lot of market share today. That is one of the key insight. Second thing, in terms of the some of the stocks which has hit the 52 weeks low, where as I said earlier, we can try to bottom fish these stocks for a long term investment. One of such stocks which I prefer is the Indian Hotel, which is trending at a price of 65.05 and 65.70 is the previous low. 65.05 is the 52 weeks low. This Indian Hotel is part of Taj Group. So this is, if you are looking at a long term perspective, you can hold this position of a minimum of 100 or 200 stocks and you can accumulate on a stock, accumulate this stock on a SIP basis. So it will definitely give a good return because this company, if you look at the P&L and the governing body as well as management of the company is too good. That is the reason this is one of the focus stocks for a lot of investors for long term. And second thing which we would like to speak about is on the ITC Limited, which is one of the favorite stocks for every investors because that is a stock which has given a lot of dividend for the investors and the long term. So this company also affected heavily on the corona, due to which this stock is trading at a very lower price. So even if anyone looking at the long term potential for this stock, so they can able to invest on this stock. This stock is trading at the price of 159.25 and the 52 weeks high is around 310 rupees and 52 weeks low is around 139 rupees. But this stock has it is a zero debt stock and everyone will remember ITC for a cigarette. But apart from cigarette, this stock they have a lot of products in place. So which is one of the FMCG product they sell mainly, and this is one of the best stock for a long term investment if you are looking at minimum of a 6 months to 12 months or to a period of 24 to 36 months as an option. The third stock which you would like to give my view is Vakrangi. Vakrangi is one of the best stocks for investors for a long term based on the three reasons. This stock for the last 1 week is growing continuously. Even I have some stake on this. I bought some stocks in the last week as well. So this stock is trading at around 28.20 rupees, whereas the book value of the stock is around 25 rupees. Earlier during the market normal time, the stock is trading at around 40 to 43 rupees. But having said that, this is one of the best stocks